making Osei Tutu the first next in line for the Kwaman throne. Osei Tutu, the first, left the Denkyira royal court when tensions arose between the Denkyira and the Kwaman and Amansi ethnic groups. Another reason for his departure was impregnating Ako Abena Bensua, Nanaboa Amponsem's daughter. She sought help to conceive, leading King Nanaboa Amponsem to invite Okomfo Anokye to Denkyira to assist her. Okomfo Anokye came and predicted that the princess would have a son, but that he would bring ruin to the Denkyira Empire. Nanaboa Amponsem's main concern at that time was to have an heir, and was not bothered about the ruin the heir would bring to the Denkyira Empire. Under Okomfo Anokye's direction, Osei